You can easily fix the P2178 engine code by replacing the fuel injectors. This means that the ECM has detected an excessively rich air-fuel mixture when the engine is off idle, on the side of the engine containing cylinder 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. Fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error code can appear in a wide range of vehicles, particularly those with fuel-injected engines from American, European, and Asian manufacturers like Mazda, Infiniti, Kia, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Hyundai, Cadillac, Volkswagen, BMW, Pontiac, Chevrolet, and Dodge vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.